Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is a delayed video. This was supposed to be on Friday, but I couldn't upload because I didn't have any internet. So we're going to do Friday's video today, which is Monday, the 16th of March, 2026. And we're going to add some more crypto to our portfolio when we dollar cost average $100 each and every week. We will be doing one again on Friday. So let's get straight down to the desktop and let's have a look at the crypto portfolio. So to start off with, we've got our portfolio here, Midnight, 18.95% of the entire portfolio. We've got Chainlink at 12.96%, XRP at 9.57%. Then Solana at 6.81%, ETH at just under 6%. We've got Litecoin at 5%, and then we've got AVAX, HBAR, SUI, and so on. Right, you can see the list here. So I think we've got a really strong crypto portfolio, particularly for the spot ETFs that are approaching fast. I'd like to get a little bit more hype, so Hyperliquid. Some more SUI as well. So we've got a lot to do to broaden out this portfolio a little bit more. We're heavy in layer ones, and that's completely fine. We've got our oracles and we've got our privacy, two components that are, in my humble opinion, must have, not nice to have. I'm not saying that Midnight is a must have or Chainlink is a must have, but it's a must have to have oracles, because blockchain won't get mainstream adoption without oracles. Chainlink do oracles. They're pretty much the leader in that sector. And then we've got Midnight, privacy, compliant privacy. This is what is required to be able to bring banks, healthcare, and so on. So you need to have those sectors covered in a portfolio, in my humble opinion. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. Treat this purely as entertainment purposes only. Do your own research. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, because you do risk losing all of your money if you invest in cryptocurrency. The total market cap of crypto globally is up 3.59%. We're at $2.52 trillion market cap for crypto. Bitcoin now at 74,341.08. But altcoins were obliterated and they're still down in the dumps. I think there's some great prices still for some of these altcoins. So super excited to delve into what we're going to buy today. And first up has to be SUI. We have to get more SUI into this portfolio. For me, it's a must. I think actually SUI may well outperform Solana. I think that it's fundamentally stronger than Solana, but time will tell whether that comes to fruition or not. SUI is at $1.05, up 7% in the last month. In the last year, we're down 52.58%. In the past 24 hours, we're up 5%. Today's not an ideal day to be buying, don't get me wrong, but I still think that we've got some huge moves to the upside for these altcoins. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to Spot here. I'm going to search for SUI. And we're going to buy at market price. We'll buy 25% of what I've got. I've got $200 in the exchange ready for Friday as well. So we'll buy 25% of what I've got. So just over $50 in SUI. Next up on the list is XRP. I think XRP, again, massively undervalued. I think it's going to go on to do really well. So we're going to add some more. It's this month up 2.1%. If we look at the last 24 hours, we're up 4.5%. And the year, we're down 34.73%. So again, we're going to get some more XRP. So we'll go back here, look for XRP. And there we go. And we're going to buy about 12% of what is remaining. So $18 of XRP. And then finally, we're going to buy some more Midnight, which I talked about. It's very prominent in this portfolio. It's at just over 5 cents, so 5 cent 105, down 12.45% in the last month. Today we're up 1.23% for the year to date, which is all time. We're down 88.65%. It's not really a true reflection, in my humble opinion. But yeah, we're going to be buying some more Night tokens. Get that loaded up. And again, we're going to buy about 12%. And we're going to buy Midnight. So there we go. And then if we go to our trade history, so we're going to start with Night, which it's bundled together. Sometimes it does this. It likes to bundle all of the transactions separately when it comes to Night. So 248.31 plus 64.63. So we bought 312.73. So we go to our portfolio, we go to transaction, type in Night. I'm going to save that. Go back to what we bought here. So we bought 12.19 XRP. Get that added in. And then we bought 47.82 SUI. So if we have a look at the portfolio now, again, we can see that it's pretty well rounded again. Just refresh it again. So we've got 19.04% Night, 12.74 Link, XRP at 9.77, Solana at 6.69, SUI now above 5%. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's in our top 6 now. Again, going to be really good. I mean, if you look at that, I think that is a pretty solid lineup. I'd like to, again, just push some more into this portfolio. But ultimately, I think this is a strong portfolio. And the reason why I think this is a strong crypto portfolio is purely on the basis that my expectations are a lot of these altcoins, in my opinion, not guaranteed, obviously, by any stretch of the imagination. But my opinion is they're all going to get spot ETFs and they're going to perform because of that, because we're moving more from a speculative market to a utility-based Wall Street market. And I think that is going to be positive in the long term for crypto. Let me know what you think of the buys that we made today. What would you have added to the portfolio? Join us in the free educational Discord, link in the description of today's video. So much alpha there. Have more meaningful conversations with us in the free educational Discord. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.